In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do zoom in effect in CapCut. We'll keep this quick and beginner-friendly. Start by opening CapCut. You can work on the web or in the app. The interface looks a little different, but everything we need is available in both. Create a new project so you're starting fresh, and make sure you're in the video editing workspace. Before you add anything, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio. This vertical canvas is perfect for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Setting the aspect ratio up front helps you avoid black bars and keeps your subject framed correctly for mobile viewing. Next, upload a photo you want to animate. Drag it into the timeline or use the import button, depending on your device. Once it's on the timeline, you can set how long it stays on screen by dragging the edge of the clip. A few seconds usually works well for a clean zoom moment. If your image is high resolution, the zoom will look sharper, so choose the best version you have. Now open the effects panel. On desktop, it's typically on the left or bottom. On mobile, it's usually in the toolbar. This is where CapCut keeps its motion and style effects that can bring a still photo to life. In the effects search bar, type the word zoom. You'll see several options appear, such as smooth zooms or more dramatic versions. The naming can vary slightly, but the idea is the same. These effects push the camera in toward your subject over time. Hover to preview on desktop or tap to see a sample on mobile, and pick the one that fits your vibe. Apply your chosen zoom effect to the image. You can usually click Apply or drag the effect onto the photo clip in the timeline. You'll notice an effect layer appear above or on the clip. Make sure this effect layer covers the full length of your photo clip so the zoom lasts as long as the image is visible. If needed, drag the end of the effect to match the clip's duration. If the zoom feels too fast or too subtle, try a different zoom preset or slightly adjust the clip length to change the pacing. Press play to preview. Watch the beginning and ending to confirm the motion feels smooth and centered on your subject. If something looks off, reposition your photo in the canvas, or swap to a different zoom effect until it matches your style. And that's it. You've created a clean zoom-in effect on a photo in CapCut using the built-in effects ready for your next short-form video.